In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can expand our type and turn it to pixels so that we can manipulate it further with transform features. So as I was showing you previously, if I want to transform this in any kind of way, let's first select our layer by clicking on it and go to Edit, Transform. So I was showing you before, it's limiting how many I can do, particularly distort, perspective, and warp. It's because Photoshop still sees this as editable type, meaning that if I select the Type tool, it still thinks it's this Bauhaus, meaning that I can highlight and edit it. So if I want to be able to use those other features, it means I have to turn this editable type into pixels. The way I can do that is by holding my control key down and clicking on the layer. It will then ask me to rasterize the type. Rasterizing means it's going to change this layer into pixels, meaning that I will no longer be able to edit the type and change the font. What I sometimes like to do is create a safety net for myself. So I'll click and drag this layer to duplicate it, turn off my original, hold my control key and click on the layer, and I'll rasterize the type. Now it's just pixels. However, because it's pixels, it means that I can't use the type tool to click and drag and select it. So if I want to change that font or correct a spelling error, I would have to go back to the copy that I made on a type layer so that I can do that. So now when I click on the pixel layer and I go to transform, you'll see that now those additional features are now available to me. And this is how I expand text to get more transform features in Photoshop.